take the oil cap off. The noise goes away. It's a vacuum leak in the motor, not an alternator. Okay, that whistling noise is part of the PCV system, the oil separator right there. I guess there's a solenoid inside or something that comes apart. So you gotta take the intake manifold off and replace that little guy there. We had to order from Volvo. To be continued. Here's the manifold we had to take off. Injectors. This is the new unit we got from Volvo we're going to install. And then we'll see how this works out. Alright, the oil separator's been installed, everything's together. Runs good. No more vacuum before you pull the dipstick out, and there'll be a big vacuum leak there, or you disconnect the cap and it causes the car to run terrible. So, success.